Sajid Ali and his team have preserved remains of 3 fallen climbers. Sajid Ali Satpara had maintained that instant retrieval of bodies of his father and his 2 associates from above bottleneck was not possible, so risking many lives. Announcing the burial of his father, Sajid Satpara said, "I have secured body of our hero at C4. An Argentinian climber has been a great help in bringing the body till C4. I offered Fatiha and recited Holy Quran on behalf of the whole nation."
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं साजिद सतपारा, मैं सर्च मिशन पे अभी K2 पे आया था। वालिद अली सतपारा और उसकी टीम जॉन स्नोरी और जेपी के, तो सारी टीम की बॉडीज हमें मिली है, लेकिन जो वालिद और जॉन स्नोरी की जो बॉडीज है वो बहुत टेक्निकल प्लेसेस पे है। उधर से नीचे लाना, अभी हम 3 टीम मेंबर्स हैं, मैं, पीके, शर्पा और एलिया, तो हम तीनों के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है, बहुत टेक्निकल पार्ट पे है और 8400 के करीब उनकी बॉडीज है। तो अभी हम इंशाल्लाह यही कर सकते हैं कि बॉडीज को ऊपर की हाई एल्टीट्यूड पे रूट से, तो क्योंकि वो सेम रूट पे है, तो आगे पीछे करके बरी करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
However, he didn't rule out the possibility of retrieving bodies in future without further damages and risking lives. It may be recalled that Muhammad Ali Satpara and his 2 teammates from Iceland and Chile had endeavored to climb K2, the second highest mountain in the world, without extra oxygen. They were last seen near Bottleneck, the most treacherous part of K2, on 5th day of February. Sajid was also part of the team but returned due to malfunctioning of oxygen regulator. On 18th of February, at the end of 14-day-long search operation conducted by military, Sajid Satpara had announced that the 3 climbers had fallen. "My father Ali Satpara and other climbers are no more in this world. To God we all belong and to Him we shall return."